My name is Noah Lee. I'm one of the coaches here at Team Biolayne, and today I'm going to talk about collagen protein and some of the frequently asked questions that I get regarding this, because it seems like collagen use is pretty popular nowadays. So let's get into those frequently asked questions. So first up, what is collagen? What is collagen protein? In a basic sense, collagen is one of the most abundant sources of protein in the body, mainly within our connective tissue. When I was in A&P 1, Anatomy and Physiology, my professor, Dr. Wortham, used to say that the protein elastin is what allows your skin to stretch, and collagen is what allows it to go back. That's kind of, in a sense, what collagen is. Now, collagen has been pretty popular lately with people who want the benefits for things like their hair, skin, and nail health. So one of the main questions that I want to answer today is from a muscle hypertrophy perspective, from an overall health perspective. Should you be taking collagen protein? So one of the issues from a muscle building perspective with collagen is that while it is a complete protein, meaning that it has all essential amino acids, it has pretty darn low levels of those amino acids. So it's not really great for muscle building. Specifically, it has really low amounts of the amino acid leucine, which seems to be one of the most important amino acids for initiating the muscle protein synthesis response that helps us build muscle. Collagen has about less than 5% leucine, and where something like a whey protein can have 10 or more percent leucine. For the claims of the hair, skin, and nail health with collagen, there is some evidence that does support this, but in my opinion, it's not enough to where I am going to widely recommend it to my clients. That being said, I have heard some, pretty promising anecdotal evidence from just individual people that I come in contact with. You may want to take that with a grain of salt, but my ideology on whether or not to take collagen really is, if you don't mind paying for it, then yeah, sure, go ahead, take it. But do not make it your main source of protein if you are really focused on body composition and just improving overall muscle size and just your look in general. So a question that I get often is, should you track collagen protein? The answer is yes. As we preach here a lot at Team Biolayne, you want to track everything if you want to be as accurate as possible. That being said, based on the research from protein metabolism gods like Dr. Stuart Phillips, Dr. Donald Layman, Dr. Nick Bird at Illinois, and even our very own Dr. Lane Norton, you want to get about 2.5 to 3 grams of leucine every 3 to 4 hours to maximize your MPS, muscle protein synthesis, signaling to give yourself the best chance at building muscle and getting that protein synthesis response. If an average serve of collagen is about 18 grams, if only 3% of that protein is leucine, then that's going to be definitely not 2.5 to 3 grams. So you want to think about it as a meal-to-meal basis, as Dr. Stuart Phillips talks about in one of his research reviews. Every 3 to 4 hours, you want to make sure you're getting some source of complete protein. Namely, animal sources are going to be where you're going to get that, something like a whey protein, lean meats, fish, stuff like that. So if you're getting every 3 to 4 hours that complete protein that's got the high levels of EAAs, especially leucine, to get that 3 grams, then it's fine to have that collagen protein and track it as so. But again, just try not to make it your main source of protein. And if you're fine paying for it, you want to take it, that's fine. You can expect a new Coach's Corner video every Wednesday with one of the Team Biolayne coaches, so make sure to look out for that next week. And if I happen to not answer any of your questions regarding collagen, drop a comment below and I will be looking through there, answering anything that I can. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a like, give it a share. If you are watching this from IGTV, make sure to head over to our YouTube, give it a like, give it a share, a thumbs up. My name is Noah Lee. You can follow my Instagram at Noah David Lee. If you're interested in coaching, you can email noah@biolayne.com or head to the link in our Instagram bio at Team Biolayne. Thanks for tuning in, guys.